Need to update the firmware on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? You know what? It's so simple, and updating makes sure your camera runs smoothly with the latest features and fixes. So in this video, I'll show you how to update the firmware on your DJI Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, make sure to connect internet and Bluetooth on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. And that's it. This is how you can update the firmware on your DJI Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.